I asked my granddaughter if she...
Hello again, Andy with HandyAndy Handyman. Welcome back to a quick run through. We're over in Canton today looking at a replacement steps and landing here. These ones here are about 35 years old, and so we'd come back in with new yellow wood and replace everything. New stretch, everything, new railings, new landing. We're probably going to expand this landing out here. This thing was built, the only reason it's lasted is this is old growth wood, most of it. And that's why most of it didn't rot, but they miscut the framing on it, and they made this landing down here a little bit too short, and none of these balusters on the railing would ever meet today's code, so they need to be 4 inches off center. But we're going to come back with exactly what he has here, probably expand this landing 2 feet towards these areas that way, and a little bit different than what we do. We drill pilot holes and everything is screwed together. When you're using the yellow wood, it's got to sit up for about 4 months to cure. And wherever we can, we try to save the old growth wood, but we just can't do it on this one. So if we come around this side over here, and you can see, we talk about this all the time on decks. If you use nails, this is exactly what happens. See where it pulls away? The deck's settled and pushed forward. So we'll reset new posts here in concrete, and everything will be screwed together with brackets. And then we'll expand the deck a little bit over to make it about 6 feet on this landing. Brother and I have been doing this stuff for 25 years in Metro Atlanta. We got a team of 30. We're all over the place. You can catch us at 770-912-2829. See you at the next house. Bye for now.